how to edit message in Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can edit message on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Editing message on Instagram is very simple. You just have to launch the Instagram application, then simply go to your DMs page, and here simply select a person that you would like to send a message to. Now here you can see in this case I have sent this person two messages, both of which are basically edited. So if I want to edit a message, basically let's say I want to edit anything inside the message because maybe the spelling was a mistake, I can only edit the messages within the 15 minutes of sending. So for example, I just sent this message, so I can long press on it, then I'll find the option to edit the messages by just tapping on it and editing the messages out. But this messages was sent yesterday, day before yesterday, and so on. So if I long press on those old messages, I won't find the option to edit them. So you will only find the option to edit a certain message if it is been within the 15 minutes of sending. So this way you can edit a message on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.